Let's talk about sustainable investing, or ESG, or impact investing, social responsible investing. It's a new trend, if you will. Is it a megatrend? Well, it sure looks like it. In 2012, there's about $3.7 trillion in these types of investments. I fast forward to 2018, it's almost at 12 trillion. Even in Europe, the globe, it's taking the globe by storm. And then when you look, people are extremely interested. 70% of investors willing to pay more for their goods and services from companies where their values are in line. Let's break this thing down. Let's bring in the big man from Hawaii. Aloha, Mr. Clopine.
Oh, am I supposed to be doing something?
That's your cue, brother.
Okay.
You got your slide.
I didn't know you were doing that. Okay. Joe, we're going to talk about portfolios with a purpose, investing with your conscience. So first of all, what is the megatrend? What is this all about? Secondly, ways to invest, how to have an impact. And then there's a lot of misconceptions or myths. We're going to break down those myths so you sort of get the real scoop on what's going on. And then finally, megatrend shortfalls. This type of investing is not necessarily for everyone. It's a great trend, but you need to understand the shortfalls as well. And Joe, I think this is an area that, this type of investing has been around for a little while, but it's kind of gaining some steam these days.
Oh, sure, without question. Socially responsible investing has been around for 20, 30 years. But with anything, there's trends, right? And so it's exciting in one degree because it's giving an outlet for other individuals maybe to get excited about investing. But of course, there's going to be downfalls as well to look at, well, what really am I investing in? Am I truly diversified? What are the costs? What is the rate of return, and so on? Go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com and click on our special offer. It's pursuing a better investment experience.